Good day to all employers. My name is Sharon Bautista Gamotea, 45 years old of age, single from Caranglan, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I am a high school graduate. I have been a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years and 4 months with the same employer. I take care of elder woman. My main task is to look after her, accompany her in all her activities, including her medical checkup. I do washing clothes, cleaning the house, ironing clothes, marketing, and cooking. If you choose me, I will do my best to do my work as I am hardworking, kind, and understanding. You can rely on me. Thank you and God bless.